Make your cleaning business stand out by proving superior attention to detail and consistent professional presentation on every visit. Focus on the client experience from the first contact through job completion. Develop a short checklist of cleaning hotspots that often get missed and train your team to complete it every time. Corners, baseboards, light switch plates, door handles, and under furniture are common examples. Show before and after results by photographing key areas with the customer present and explaining what changed and why that matters for hygiene and longevity of surfaces. Use tidy trash bag presentation by replacing liners neatly, folding tops inward, and setting bags away from sight to signal care and respect for the home. Communicate proactively about what you do above standard service level, such as using color-coded cloths to prevent cross-contamination, rotating deep clean tasks on a schedule, or applying a protective finish to high-traffic areas when appropriate. Price transparently and offer simple packaged options so clients understand the value proposition without complex quotes. 3 common mistakes are inconsistent quality, poor communication, and sloppy presentation. Inconsistent quality is solved by standardizing a concise checklist, conducting quick spot audits, and rewarding team members who meet the checklist reliably. Poor communication is fixed by confirming appointments with a brief message that lists scope and arrival window, and by delivering a short completion note that lists work done plus any follow-up recommendations. Sloppy presentation, such as crumpled trash liners or tools left out, is prevented by finishing each job with a final walkthrough where the cleaner resets the space, removes bags, and straightens supplies before the customer sees the home. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and discover cleaning professionals who advertise services and availability. We connect contractors with homeowners looking for work and host a discussion community where members share tips, ask questions, and post local recommendations.